Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most spectacular and spiritual festivals in Malaysia, Thaipusam in Penang. If you've never experienced Thaipusam before, you're in for something truly incredible. It's a Hindu festival celebrated by the Tamil community, and Penang hosts one of the biggest and most breathtaking Thaipusam celebrations outside of India. Devotees carrying kavadis, people smashing coconuts, chariots moving through the streets. Every year, thousands of devotees gather here to pay their respects to Lord Murugan. The festival is all about faith, devotion, and endurance, with devotees carrying kavadis, intricately decorated structures attached to their bodies, as an act of penance and gratitude. Close-up of kavadi bearers, piercing rituals, drummers leading the procession. One of the most intense and awe-inspiring sights is the kavadi procession. Some devotees pierce their skin with metal hooks and skewers. Don't worry, they're in a deep state of trance and experience little to no pain. It's a powerful display of devotion and spiritual strength. Crowds walking towards Waterfall Hilltop Temple, chanting and music in the air. The journey starts at Sri Mahamariamman Temple in Georgetown, where a silver chariot carrying Lord Murugan's statue makes its way through the city. Thousands of devotees follow, carrying milk pots, breaking coconuts, and chanting prayers. The final stop? The Waterfall Hill Temple, where devotees climb 500-plus steps to make their offerings. Street food stalls, people enjoying traditional Indian sweets and snacks. And of course, no festival is complete without amazing food. During Thaipusam, you'll find stalls offering delicious vegetarian meals, sweet treats like laddu and payasam, and refreshing coconut water to beat the heat. Night shots of the temple, glowing lights, and the final prayers. As the day comes to an end, the energy here is still incredible. Thaipusam in Penang is more than just a festival, it's a spiritual journey, a cultural experience, and a true spectacle of faith. So, have you ever witnessed Thaipusam before? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing cultural adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hello. Mr. Anandarajan, you are wanted at the back. Please come. Mr. Anandarajan, Roti Canai waiting for you. Roti Canai, come, Mr. Anandarajan. Please, Mr. Anandarajan at the back. Yeah, please eat Roti Canai.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.